It's well known that China is a global manufacturing powerhouse. Thanks to its complete industrial supply chains and low labor costs, the country has massive production capacity across virtually every industry. This capacity supports people around the world, ranging from small everyday items like toothpaste, wash basins, clothing, and shoes, to large-scale products such as industrial equipment, smartphones, automobiles, telecommunications base stations, high-voltage transmission systems, and high-speed rail systems. So, how has China's CPAP manufacturing capability developed in recent years? The COVID-19 pandemic raised global awareness about the importance of non-invasive ventilation machines, and also brought more capital attention to the CPAP industry. At the end of 2022, the Chinese government completely lifted COVID monitoring measures, and society began returning to normal. Starting in 2023, many investors interested in home-use CPAP devices began reaching out to me, asking whether investing in a CPAP sector would be profitable. Between 2020 and 2022, I was interviewed by several journalists from mainland China, many of whom were hearing about CPAP machines for the very first time. Since then, I've continued to receive phone calls every year from people telling me they want to invest in the CPAP field, open factories, and begin manufacturing CPAP devices. So, let's take a look. How many brand new home-use CPAP devices were officially registered and launched in 2024? In China, all medical devices are regulated by the National Medical Products Administration, NMPA. Home-use CPAP machines are classified as Class I medical devices, which means they must receive registration approval before they can be legally sold to the general public. Let's first search using the keyword non-invasive ventilator and see how many new registration certificates were issued. Note, we're only looking at Class I certificates issued in 2024, focused specifically on home-use products. A total of 11 new certificates were issued under this category. Next, we searched for positive pressure ventilator and found 2 new certificates issued. Then, we searched using the keyword positive pressure ventilation therapy device and found 10 new certificates. These are the 3 main terms typically used by Chinese companies when applying for registration of home-use CPAP devices. Based on this, we can roughly estimate that around 23 new CPAP-related certificates were issued in 2024. That's quite a significant number. Some of these companies are ones I've never heard of before, even though I've been in this field for 9 years. Every year, I see no fewer than 5 new CPAP manufacturers entering the market. What do you think about this number? If possible, let me know in the comments. What other information would you like to learn?